Good morning students. Today class I am going to start the new chapter, chapter 5, two-dimensional analytical geometry 2, chapter 5, very important chapter also. This is very important chapter. All the 2 mark, 3 mark, compulsory, 5 mark also compulsory asking from this exercise. Say first you learn the formula. For Friday video, just I recall all the formula. Already we introduced the formula. Again also I recall the formula. See, equation of the circle in standard form. Equation of circle in standard form. What is equation circle? With the center 0, 0 and radius r. The center is 0, 0 and radius r means what is the formula? X square plus y square equal to a square. Again, equation of the circle with the center h, k other than the origin. Equation circle with the center h, k and radius r. What is the formula? X minus h the whole square plus a y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Equation of the circle with the center h, k and radius r is what? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Circle in the origin is what? X square plus y square equal to a square. Circle other than the circle in the origin is what? What is the equation circle in the origin is x square plus y square equal to a square. Equation circle other than the origin, that is the center is h, k means what is the radius? And the radius r is what? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Again, second one, equation circle in general form. Equation circle in general form. What? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 with the center. Suppose the equation of circle in the equation circle in general form means with the center is what? Center c, that is center c minus g comma minus f and radius r equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Equation of circle in general form is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 with the center c is minus g comma minus f and radius r equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Third one, equivalent of tangent and normal. Equation of tangent and normal at a point P on the given circle. Equation of tangent. What is the tangent? Tangent is nothing but what? If the line such the circumference of the circle, outside the circle, inside the circle, or on the circle. How many tangent able to draw? Only one tangent able to draw from the tangent on the circle. On the circle only one tangent able to draw. Outside the if the point lies outside the from the outside the point able to draw two tangent. Inside the point unable to draw the tangent. Tangent is nothing but what? If the circle, the circumference circle meet one point at the line, the circle and the line meet at a one point, that is the circumference, meet at the circumference of the circle. So equation of the tangent and the normal at a point on a given circle is, what is the equation of tangent at the point is x1 comma y1. Equation of tangent at the point, if that circle, suppose this is a circle, if the point touch any point, that point is what? X1 comma y1. Equation of tangent at the point x1 comma y1 is x1 plus y1 plus a g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. That is nothing but what? Instead of x square rewrite as x1, instead of y square rewrite as y1 plus a g into x plus x1 plus c f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. That is from the general formula we write the equation of the tangent. Now equation of the tangent at a x1 comma y1 is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Equation of the normal at x1 y1. Equation of the normal at x1 y1 is what? Just you what? Rearrange yx1 minus xy1, just interchange x1 and y1, interchange x and y interchange yx1 minus xy1. Now middle you having z what? Minus term x, that is x and y are interchange yx1 minus xy1 plus g into y minus y1 minus f into x minus x1 equal to 0. Just x and y terms only interchange. So what is this one? Yx1 minus xy1 plus g into y minus y1 minus f into x minus x1 equal to 0. This is nothing but what? Equation normal. Normal is nothing but perpendicular to the tangent. So equation of the normal. Equation normal at x1 y1 is what? Yx1 minus xy1 plus g into y minus y1 minus f into x minus x1 equal to 0. See exercise number 5.1. See the first question. Obtain the equation of the circle with the radius and with the radius 5 cm and touching the x-axis. Obtain the equation of the circle with radius. Radius is what? 5 cm. Touching the x-axis. Touching the x-axis at the origin in general form. We are going to write the equation circle in the general form. Only radius is given. Touching the x-axis at the origin. What is the given data? Given data is center is what? 0, k. Center is 0, k. Radius is what centimeter? 5 centimeter. Point is what? 0, 0. That is origin. Equation of the circle in the general form is what? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. That is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Instead of x and y and h also 0. Center is 0, x. Only touching the x-axis. So touch the x-axis. So having some value for y. So x minus h the whole square. So x, y 0 as well as what? H also 0. Now instead of x you put 0. 0 minus 0 the whole square plus 0 minus k the whole square equal to 5 square. That is what? K square equal to 5 square. K square equal to what? 25. K equal to what? Plus or minus 5. Therefore now we get what is the center. Center is 0, k. First we find the value for k. Therefore center 0, plus or minus 5. That is h, k. Center is what? 0, plus or minus 5. That is h, k. What is the equation 1? X minus 0. What is the equation 1? First equation x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Instead of h we put what? 0. Instead of k we put what? Plus or minus 5. So x minus 0 the whole square plus y plus or minus 5 the whole square equal to 5 square. That is nothing but what? X square plus a plus b the whole square. Apply the formula a plus b the whole square. A square y square plus b square 5 square plus 2ab. 2 5s are 10. 10 into y 10y. Now middle value at plus or minus 5. Suppose b square plus 5 square also 25 minus 5 square also 25. Therefore we are using 5 square. X square plus that is apply the formula a plus b the whole square. Apply the formula here a plus b the whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So instead of a what? Y square. Instead of b what? Plus or minus 5. That is 5 square plus 2ab. 2 5s are 10y plus or minus 10y equal to 5 square is nothing but what? 25. Now x square plus y square plus 5 square is nothing but what? 25 plus or minus 10y equal to 25. Now this plus 25 cancel. That's it. The plus 25 goes to the right hand side to become minus 25. Therefore what is the equation? X square plus y square plus or minus 10y equal to 0 is the required equation of the circle. Why we are getting 0, k? We take the center. If the circle is touching the what axis? X axis. X axis means y value having some k. So center is 0, k. Center is nothing but 0, k. Radius is given in the question 5 cm passing through the origin. Equivalent circle in the general form is what? X minus h the whole square, y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Next you substitute the value. First you find the value for k. After finding k, you substitute in the general form of the equation. So then we get the required equation of the circle. So that is very easy sum. Remember the formula only. See the second question. Find the equation of the circle with the center is what? 2, minus 1 and passing through the point 3, 6 in the standard form. Second sum is what? Find the equation of the circle with the center is what? 2, minus 1 and passing through the point is what? 3, 6 what form? In standard form. So what is our equation of the circle? Equation of circle is what? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. What is our center given in? Given center is what? 2, minus 1. So instead of h, k, you substitute 2 and minus 1. So x minus 2. Instead of h, you substitute what? 2. X minus 2 the whole square plus y having minus, already having 1 minus. Minus into minus become what? Plus y plus 1 the whole square equal to r square. So if the point, it passes through the point. The circle passing through the point what? 3, 6. So instead of x, y, you substitute 3 and 6. What is our x? Instead of x you substitute 3. 3 minus 2 the whole square plus instead of 4 you substitute what? 6. 6 plus 1 whole square equal to r square. 3 minus 2 whole square is what? 1 square. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. 7 square equal to r square. Now 1 square plus 7 square equal to r square. 7 sevens are what? 49. 49 plus 1 what? 50. That is r square equal to 1. R square equal to 50. We get r square equal to 50. So first using the center and passing through the point, first we find the radius r. Afterwards we substitute the value for the equation circle. Therefore the equation 1 gives x minus 2 the whole square plus y plus 1 the whole square equal to r square. Instead of r square, what we find it? We find the value 50. Therefore x minus 2 the whole square plus y plus 1 the whole square equal to 50 is the required equation of the circle. Here given what? Center and passing through the point is given. So first we substitute the value for h comma k in the equation of the circle. Afterwards passing through the point what? 3 comma 6. Using 3 comma 6 and center, find the radius. After finding the radius, you substitute the standard form x minus h whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Substitute. So that is nothing but what? X minus 2 the whole square plus y plus 1 the whole square equal to 50 is the required equation of the circle. What is the second question? Second and third question. Find the equation circle that touch both the axis and passes both the axis, both x axis as well as what axis? Y axis. So find the equation circle that touch both the axis and passes through the point what? Minus 4 comma minus 2 in general form. What is let the circle touch both the axis means h comma k is what? R comma r. R comma r both touch the x axis as well as y axis. If the circle touch both the x axis as well as what axis? Y axis. So what is the equation of the circle? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Here what is our center? Center is what? H comma k and the radius is what? R comma. Center is h comma k and the radius. Radius is what? R. Let the center touch both the axis. H comma k is r comma r. So not radius. Let the what is the question? Find the circle that touch both the axis and passing through the point in the general form. What the question we take? Let the circle touches both the axis h comma k is. If it touches both the axis, the center is h comma k, touch the axis both what? X axis as well as y axis, touch that one what? R comma r. Therefore what is the equation circle? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Here center of h comma k is what? R comma r. Therefore what is the formula? Instead of h comma k, instead of h comma k you substitute what? R comma r. That is the center of h comma k is r comma, not radius. Center of h comma k, the circle center is nothing but what? R comma k. R comma r. So instead of h comma k you substitute r comma r. So x minus instead of h you substitute r. X minus r the whole square plus y minus r the whole square equal to r square. So what is the center? Center of h comma k is taken as what? R comma r. So h comma k you substitute r value. X minus r the whole square plus y minus r the whole square equal to r square. This is the equation 1. If the circle passes through the point is what? Minus 4 comma minus 2. The circle passes through the point is minus 4 comma minus 2. That is x comma y. What is the from equation 1? X minus r the whole square plus y minus r the whole square equal to r square. Instead of x you substitute what? Minus 4. Instead of y you substitute what? Minus 2. So minus 4 minus r the whole square plus minus 2 minus r the whole square equal to r square. Now we take minus taken outside, we get what? 4 plus r the whole square. Here also we take minus is outside, we get what? 2 plus r the whole square equal to r square. Now minus square is nothing but by squaring the minus value to become plus. So again we apply the formula a plus b the whole square. So what is a plus b the whole square? 4 square, 4 4s are 16 plus r square plus 2ab, 2 4s are 8r. Again here square we get what? 2 plus r, a plus b the whole square, 2 2s are 4, a square plus b square, r square. That is, this is also a apply the formula a plus b the whole square. A square is what? 2 square. 2 square is nothing but what? 4. Again b square. B square is what? A plus b. B is nothing but r square. 2ab. 2 2s are 4. 4r equal to r square. So you cancel plus r square plus r square. Because the plus r square goes to the right hand side, it will become what? Minus r square. We cancel here itself. Now we get a quadratic equation. After we arrange the equation, we get a quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? R square. 8r plus 4r is what? 12r. 8r plus 4r is what 12r. 16 plus 4 is what 20. So r square plus 12r plus 20 equal to 0. Now what is the sum? Sum is nothing but what? 12. Sum is 12. Product is what? 20. Sum is 12. Product is 20. So multiply. 10 2s are 20. 10 plus 2 is nothing but what? 12. 10 2s are 20. 10 plus 2 is what? 12. So sum is 12. Product is 20. 10 2s are 20. 10 plus 2 is what? 12. So what is the half towards are that the quadratic equation in the what it will become a linear equation. We get that value r plus 10 into r plus 2 equal to 0. So 10 2s are 20 means 10 plus 2 is what? 12. 10 2s are 20 product. So r plus 10 into r plus 2 equal to 0. Now r plus 10 equal to 0 means r equal to what? 10 minus 10. R plus 2 equal to 0 means r equal to minus 2. If so we get the two value for radius r equal to minus 10, r equal to minus 2. If r equal to minus 10, if r is nothing but minus 10 means what is the value you are substituting? So substituting instead of x minus r, instead of r you substitute what? Minus 10. X minus r the whole square plus y minus r the whole square equal to r square. So instead of r you substitute what? Minus 10. So x minus into minus what? Plus x plus 10 the whole square plus y minus into minus what? Plus 10. X y plus 10 the whole square equal to r. Instead of r you substitute what? Where in the first equation substitute the r value is what? Minus 10. So x minus into minus become plus 10. Y minus into minus become plus 10. Again here instead of r you substitute what? 10 square minus 10 the whole square. Now x plus 10 the whole square plus y plus 10 the whole square equal to minus 10 the whole square. Again apply the same formula. What is the formula? A plus b the whole square. X square plus b square. 10 square is nothing but what? 100. 2ab. 2 into a into b. 20x. Again a plus b. Here also what? Again apply the formula. Y square 2ab. 2 into 20. 20y plus 10 square is what? 100. Equal to minus 10 the whole square is nothing but what? 100. Again cancel 100 and 100 because the plus 100 goes to the right hand side, it will become what? Minus 100. Now we get x square plus y square plus 20x plus 20y plus 100 equal to 0. Now we get the equation. In terms if r equal to minus 10, we get the second result. Again r equal to minus 2. If r equal to taking minus 2, the same thing followed what? R equal to minus 10. If r equal to minus 10, again substitute in the equation 1. Instead of r you substitute what? Minus 2. So minus into minus become plus 2. Here also minus into minus become plus 2. Substitute here. If r equal to minus 2 means the equation 1 gives x plus 2 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square equal to minus 2 the whole square. What is the formula? A square x square plus b square. 2 square is nothing but what? 4. 2ab. 2 2s are 4r. Similarly y plus 2 the whole square is what? Y square plus 2ab. 2 2s are 4y plus b square is what? Plus 4 equal to minus 2 whole square is nothing but what? Plus 4. That plus 4 comes to the right hand side, it will become minus 4. So plus 4 cancelled. Now we arrange the equation x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. And this is the third equation. So equation 2 and 3 given the required equation of the circle. If r equal to minus 2, we get one of the equation of the circle. If r equal to minus 2, we get the another equation of the circle. See the fourth question. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle with the center is 2, 3. Center is and passing through the point. What is the passing through? The point of intersection of the line. Directly given the point, the two lines are given. Passing through the point of intersection line is 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 and 4x plus 2y minus 27 equal to 0. See the question number 4. Find the equation of the circle which is passing through the center what 2, 3 and passing through the intersection of the lines 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 and 4x plus y minus 27 equal to 0. Solution. What is the given lines? 3x minus 2y equal to 1. This is the equation 1. 4x plus y equal to 27. That is the equation 2. So second equation is multiplied with 2. We get the third equation. Because here minus 2y, here what? Plus 2y. So second equation is multiplied with 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 into y 2y. 2 into 27 is what? 54. Solve the equation 1 and 3. What is the first equation? 3x minus 2y equal to 1. 8x plus 2y equal to 54. So minus 2y plus 2y cancelled. 3x plus 8x is what? 11x equal to 55. What is our x? X is equal to 55 by 11. That is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Substitute. X is equal to 5 in equation 1. What is the first equation? 3x minus 2y equal to 1. Instead of x, you substitute what? 5. 3 into 5 is what? 3 5s are 15. Minus 2y equal to 1. 15 minus 2y equal to 1. Minus 2y equal to 1 minus 15. Minus 2y equal to minus 14. Therefore, y equal to what? 7. The center is question itself given. What is the center? 2, 3. Passing through the point is what? 5, 7. After solving the two straight line, we get the point. That point is nothing but what? 5, 7. The center is given in the question itself. Now, equation of the circle is what? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. What is our center? Center is what? 2, 3. The point is given point is what? 5, 7. So x, instead of the x, what you are substituting? 5. 5h is what? 2. 5 minus 2 the whole square plus instead of y what? 7. K is what? 3. 7 minus 3 the whole square equal to r square. 5 minus 2 is what? 3 square. 7 minus 3 is what? 4 square equal to r square. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16 equal to r square. Now r square equal to 25. What is the equation? Given equation, you can circle x minus h. Instead of h, we know 2, 3 is the center. h, k is the center. So x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square equal to what is r square? R square is nothing but what? 25. So expand. Again, we apply the formula a minus b the whole square. X minus 2 the whole square. A square minus 2ab. 2 2s are minus 4x plus 4 plus b square. Y square. 2 3s are 6y minus 6y plus 9 equal to 25. Again, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. 9 plus 4 is 4 plus 9 is what? 13. Plus 25 become what? Minus 25 equal to 0. So we get the required equation. What is the equation? X square plus y square. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13 minus 25 is what? Minus 12 equal to 0 is the required equation. Here the center is only given after two passing through the point is not directly given to straight line equation. The two straight line meet at one point. We solve. After solving the equation, we get the points passing through the point. So using the center as well as passing through the point, find the radius r. After finding the radius, substituting in the equation of circle. So we get expanded, we get the required equation of the circle. Next time I continue in the second video.